Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary. I am back. I was sick. I was sick for a couple of weeks. I was not doing well. It got me. The virus got me. COVID got me, and I was down. But now I'm back, and on today's video is a dry manicure. This is my husband's hand. He loves his manicures. Um, And I'm starting off by just trimming the nail. And I'll let you watch this part, and then I'll be back. Okay, so once that's done, I go in with my Tammy Taylor peel and stick file, and I just file the nail, just make it nice and even. I'll let you watch this part, and then I'll be back. Okay, once that's done, I'm going in with my cuticle pusher, gently pushing back the cuticle. You don't want to be too harsh when you're doing this because you can damage the nail plate. And actually, I've done this to myself, that I've damaged my nail plate. And how you can tell when you've damaged your nail plate or clients is that when the nail starts growing back, you have like these little bumps, so your nail is like uneven, and it's not pretty. It doesn't look nice. So you want to try to keep your nails or your client's nails nice and healthy. So you make sure that you're gentle when you're doing this. So here I'm going in with my needle bit. I love this bit. This gets rid of the all the cuticle left on the nail, all the dead cuticle that's left on the nail when you push back the cuticle. It's very gentle. I have this at a speed of, I believe, 5 or 6. Not too, you don't need to have it on a very high speed, just the low speed is good, and it'll get rid of all that dead cuticle around the nail. And you see how I'm holding my drill? I'm actually keeping it on reverse the entire time when I do this. And you see how I hold my drill and I just rotate my hand all the way around. And it looks like I'm holding my drill straight up, but I'm not. It's actually at an angle the entire time. And to me, this is the faster and easiest way to trim that cuticle all around the nail, because I don't have to stop, come back, and switch my drill on forward to do the other side. To me, this is efficient and easiest for me. You don't have to do it this way, but I find it very convenient. Now I'm going to do that at all 10 nails, and I'll let you watch, and I'll be back. Now I'm going to go in with my ball bit. I love this bit. It gets rid of the excess cuticle. It leaves it so nice and clean. I don't like to use my cuticle nippers. The only time that I use my cuticle nippers is on myself, but I don't use it on any clients. I do use them if I have to just snip off like something like a little hangnail or something extra that's left behind. But for the most part, this is how I get rid of all that cuticle. And believe me, it is so nice and it leaves it very, very clean. Now, I also have the speed. This one, I think I did put it up a little bit. I have it at about 7 to 8, and it works. That's where I think it works the best. I've used it on 4 or 5, and it doesn't really. You need it to go faster to just get rid of all that dead cuticle. I do that on all 10 nails, and again, I'll let you watch, and I'll be back. Okay, so once that's done, I go in and I file. I'm not sorry, I don't file, I buff. I buff all the nails, and I'm using the buffer from nailcareer.com. I actually bought a little kit from the website, and I'll link it down below. I'm not sure if she still has the kit. But I'll still link her website down below if you're interested in buying any of her files. I'm also, after I'm done buffing, I'm also going to use the Smooth and Shine files, and that's going to leave the nail really smooth and really shiny. So I'll let you watch that. So now that's all done. Now I'm going in with my velvet oil from Profiles Backstage. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is one of my favorites as it doesn't leave an oily residue on your hands. It just absorbs right in, and you're not afraid to touch anything because you have oily hands. Love it. It's a must. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you guys. And that is it for today's. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.